we got an Instant Pot chicken taco soup. I'm using frozen chicken tenderloins. I'm using 6 or 7. We're gonna cook that up. Instead of chicken broth, I have 3 bouillon cubes and 3 cups of water that I'll add. Onion, we have drained corn, tomato sauce, a can of drained black beans, drained pinto beans, can of Rotel with green chilies. Gonna add some garlic, cumin, salt and pepper. Taco seasoning, we buy it in bulk, so a 1/4 cup is equivalent to a package, about 1 ounce. And we're gonna put this into our Instant Pot in a particular order. First, we're gonna add our broth, so I'm gonna ground up this broth here. Good and ground up, that way it'll dissolve well. Okay, we're gonna add in our bouillon. The recipe called for 3 cups of chicken broth, so we have 3 bouillon cubes, could have used 4, 3 cups of water. I don't know why it called for it in a particular order, but it did. All right. Next, it asks for our chicken. It said if you use frozen chicken, to go another 3 to 5 minutes extra. Then we're gonna add our 1 onion diced. 1 can of corn, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 can of pinto beans. I did drain and rinse these. 1 can of black beans. I drained and rinsed these. They're thicker stuff. Our taco seasoning, about 1 package of taco seasoning. It's about 1 ounce, 1/4 cup. About a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Of course, it says salt and pepper to taste. We're starting with the 1/2 pepper. A teaspoon of ground cumin. Close and sealing position. Mine automatically puts the lock vent on. Alright, we're gonna use manual high pressure. We're gonna take off keep warm. We're gonna do 8 minutes plus, it's 8 minutes. If you're using fresh chicken, we're gonna add 3 minutes because of our frozen and it's just tenderloins. We're gonna let that go. When the time's up, we're gonna let it natural release for at least 10 minutes and then we can quick release the rest of the way. Just gotta come up to pressure, it takes a little bit. Okay, that ended and we're gonna let it just do its natural release for 10 minutes and then we'll do a quick release. So I'm gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to quick release. You may want to use a glove or a rag, just to make sure. Mine says just to press. You do that until it releases all the way. I love my Instant Pot. See, when it stops, that little silver tab will drop. it goes. It means it's safe to open. So we're gonna open that up. And there she goes. Now we're gonna fish out our chicken. Fish chicken. Oh, it shrinks up quite a bit. It's okay if you got some of the vegetables and beans. We're gonna just shred it apart with 2 forks. It's shredded up real easy. Now we're just gonna add that back in. All right, and dish us up some. We'll have to see if we need some extra salt and pepper. Instant Pot chicken taco bean soup. I have grated cheddar, sour cream, and some tortilla chips. Salt and pepper to taste. And we're gonna put some shredded cheddar. I like a lot of cheese, please. Some sour cream. Oh no. I'm actually gonna mix mine up. So I should have added the sour cream first. And some chips that you can crunch up on the side. Let's taste it, guys. It's hot. That's good. Enjoy. Soup season's here. Oh guys, this is so good. Tastes like a taco.